What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, on today's video I'm gonna be teaching you again 4 basic hip-hop dance steps. Alright, let's start. Alright everybody, let's start. For the first steps, you just simply go stand straight in the middle, then you just swing your arm. 1, center. 2, double. 3, 4, other side. 5, 6, and 7, and 8. So it looks like you're doing sit-ups, but on the reverse. Yes, let's try one more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Very good. Next, for this one, after you do this, you're gonna punch up. 1, cross down. 2, 3, close on 4. You do it on the other side. Punch, cross, 7, and 8. Good job. Let's do the third one. You're gonna go roll to the front, right, left, then dip. 3, 4. You do it one more time. 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Good job. On the last step, you're gonna use your shoulder and elbow. Go right, left. On the third, you're gonna lift your shoulder, including your knee. Goes like this. 7 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Good job. Now let's try everything from the beginning. All of it. Here we go. In 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Punch. 1, cross. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and roll. 1, 2, dip. 5, 6, dip. For the last one, shoulder, knee up, shoulder, knee up, shoulder, knee up, shoulder, knee up. And that's all. Let's try one more time with music. Here we go. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you liked that video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment on my video, and also if you have suggestion of a dance that you want to learn, please leave a message in the comment section and I will try my best to do it for you. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.